Last year, I did the dumbest shit you could ever fucking possibly do. I'm a dumbass. Every day last year, for a whole year, I was thinking about making a fucking time machine to go back and slap myself in the fucking face, all right? I'm fucking like, it was dumb. Over the past year, I have contemplated every single day about like, why the fuck am I dumb? You know, that was the dumbest shit ever, bro. And I could go live. I could change the stream right now to entitle it saying sorry a million times, but it won't take back what I did, all right? But anyway, I just want to say, that's all. I just want to get that out the way now. It was like last year, it was like so tough. Like initially, like shout out to every mom in the chat, because like when this happened, like my mom quit her job for 3 months because she thought I was gonna kill myself. And I just felt like a failure. And then I just also want to say to any streamer that I streamed with, like Joe or Zeusy or Jojo or like Bash and like who else to stream with, anyone that knew me, like I don't know, Max, Yusuf, anyone that I ever streamed with, I just want to apologize because I know that I probably caused a lot of shit in your chat and that was not what I wanted to do. So I'm sorry for anything that I caused, okay? Yo, what's good, YouTube? Today we are going over your ringtones. It has been long awaited. It's been a very long time. We're going through your ringtones again. This is probably the only time we're gonna do it. It's just because I came back, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do that and then we're gonna start doing other type of content. But if you guys have missed the videos, make sure you like and subscribe. Pull up to the Twitch streams. We're live every day and let's get this shit started. tnickelss, don't judge me. I don't have an iPhone. What? What is happening? What the f— how are you even like manualing this phone? React to my don't mind my message. When you finna give me that hand? Yo! Is this the video lagging or his phone? What is happening? Oh my God. All right, that was ass. That was ass. That was ass. I don't have an emotion stylist, so I'm not gonna lie. That was ass. Ringtones are back. All right, let's see it, bro. I'm not gonna lie, like in the past, that would have got me. That would, like, if you would have sent that by. Okay, why did this? I didn't expect it to replay. Would you like to donate? What the? All right, bro. The entire history. What are you even doing? Like, this is what we wanted. Like, this is really what you like. You know what I'm saying? Like, I guess. Nice, I guess. That shit was kind of mid. All right. Like, let's get. What's up with the fire shit, bro? I mean, at least he put some edits on his bitch. I mean, at least, you know what I'm saying? It's a little bit better to.
I'm on a whole nother level.
All right. All right. Here we go. Got bored, had to remake it.
Made in heaven.
What? The fuck just happened? Okay, I'm not gonna lie. That's like the first, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's like the first good one-ish. You know what I'm saying? That's like, I'm not gonna lie. That's like the first good one. All right, you can't lie. That one's okay.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Oh shit.
may I have your attention, please? The show
Lock in, y'all.
starts in 10, 9,
Lock in, y'all.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yo, so fucking stupid, bro. Y'all are just fucking dumb. I just learned about the whole like job as like, you know, when you say like job, like J slur, like I just learned about that. How did that happen? Like, what is Tia? What? Don't say that. Wait, my bad. Like, fuck. Wait, like, don't say that shit. Wait, okay, so how did that like start? Like, it's a trigger word? It's a trigger word. Don't say it. No, thank you for the gifted, bro. I appreciate it. So I'm not allowed to, that's my trigger word. Unemployed for life. People are unemployed. Okay. Okay. I got y'all. My bad. This is effort. This is what I like to see. Dude, are you serious? Dude, are you gonna make us sit here and like he's actually just about to like make a W slideshow. He's really about to make us go through this. All right, man. Okay. Huh? What the heck? All right, and then
I'm on a whole nother
and
level.
I'm like, that was good. That was actually a good one. He put effort into that. It was different. That was a good one. That was the first like decent one. It didn't make me laugh, but it was a good one. I'm gonna be honest. I started buying random shit. Do y'all want to see one of the random shit I bought? Like, I started buying random shit, bro. Like, I'm gonna just show y'all, bro. Like, don't bros growing weed. Yo, keep it down, bro. Yo. All right. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all niggas are about to clown me. Deadass, do not question me. I bought fucking like jump boots. Oh my, like, bro. Deadass. I was bored as fuck. These cost $300. Put them on. I'm gonna be honest. I don't. So when I bought those, yeah, hear me out. Like, let's keep this. Okay. When I bought those, there's a certain weight requirement on the shoe, right? Let's just say, I think if I put them on right now, I would break the fucking shoe. I'm not gonna lie, I would break the fucking, so we're not gonna put them on because I can't wear them yet. Also, I also have to say, so last year when I was like still actively streaming before everything, like last year before I was like actively streaming, Joe had sent me a shirt, right? Like W Joe merch, right? Like this is hard ass merch. I get the shirt like 3 months ago. I can't fit this bitch. I can't fit it. So like I put this bitch on, my gut is hanging. Like what the fuck, bro? So here is the goal. The goal for the end of the summer is gonna be to be able to fit this shirt. The goal, every week we're gonna try this shirt on. The goal for the end of the summer is to be able to put this shirt on. I'm not putting it on right now. Dude, what is wrong with this guy? Yo, what is wrong with you? Actually, what the fuck is wrong? No. You don't have to do the circle too, bro. Are you fucking serious? Now we're gonna sit here and watch this. We're gonna chat, like, chat, we're gonna sit here and we're gonna watch this. We're not skipping this. Be grateful, chat. Like, genuinely be grateful. We're gonna watch this. Thank you for that resub. It's dedication. Nah, this actually is dedication. Do not skip this. Fucking coughs. Yo, why the fucking cough just get me, bro? Like this fucking cough got me. This shit is so raw. This is a real video. Like, this is a real video. Yeah. Yo, chat, like, be never, like, just wait, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, do we think this is geeking or not? Do we think this, are we getting pre-geekened or not? What is this? Are we for real, bro? Like, are we for real, bro? That actually pissed me off. Chat, I have a crazy idea, right? You know how there's like random like basketball leagues that old men join? What if I joined in like one of those basketball leagues and just like streamed it? Like, would that not be fire? I was thinking about that. What if I deadass just joined one of them like leagues that those fucking dudes join? Like, unk activities. I'm like, that would actually be like, yo! Rolling with the 5. Gifted, bro. I appreciate you, man. You're out of shape. Okay, I understand that, right? But would that not be like a good... You would break the hoop? You would break your spine. What do you mean I would break the hoop? He's just big bone. Yeah, chat. I'm not even fat. I'm just big boned. Like, dead ass, like, I'm not, like, come on, bro. Like, this guy in the chat just said, yo, instead of joining a basketball league, you should join a sumo league. What do you mean a sumo league? There's no casual sumo leagues. What are we talking? Like, you can't just join that. What? This is what we're not, like, he just farted in our ears, one, and then, like, no, bro, no. And what is this? Like, that was you, that was not me. What do you mean that was me? Man, I'm sorry, I'm just like... What? What? What is that? He did what? Wait, that's Kanye? Let's see what we got here. Hopefully it's better than yesterday, because yesterday it was it was not the best, I'll just say that. But let's go. 5, 4, oh my, 3. This guy always does the most. 1. What are we doing? Like, oh God! I get mad when I see him. Every time I see him, it's like, wow, I just get angry. Yeah, this chopped final boss. All right, gang, you still have time to delete this. Yeah, what are we doing? What the hell is this? All right. Dude, like, blow your fucking nose. What is happening? What? Whoa. Are we just flashing our feet? Like, what's happening? Oh my. Don't do that again, bro. Dude. Dude. Thanks, I guess. So we'll give this one a chance here. It is 1 minute long, as they usually go. Choose your plan. $12 clock premium. $12 a week for clock premium. Okay. Okay, nice. Now he's got the clock premium. Let's see what we got here. How did he do? That was actually good editing. How did he do that? That was high quality. I guess I can comment on the ones I see now. Well, guys, apparently the hashtag is messed up, so we reacted to as many as I possibly could. I don't know how to fix this, but it is what it is. I guess we only were doing this just because you guys just came back and you wanted to see the ringtones. If you did enjoy the video, leave a like. Next video is probably gonna be going through your DoorDash orders or whatnot, or I don't know. Anyway, we're live on Twitch a lot, so follow the Twitch, follow my IG, follow Twitter, and I'll see you guys in the next video.